how to make a Snapchat filter for an event in 44 seconds. So if you want to make a Snapchat filter for an event, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google or your browser. And here you need to search for create.snapchat.com and this will take you to the browser. And here it will take you to the help center of your Snapchat. So you just need to simply go with the how to create lens section. And once you tap on it, you will have an option of reach out here. So if you're not eligible for making a Snapchat filter, then you won't have an option to create a filter. But if you're eligible, if you have a lot of followers, and if you are an advertiser or content creator, then you will have an option to create your Snapchat filter. You can just simply tap on open in Snapchat and it will open a Snapchat and you'll have create now option on the bottom left. You just need simply tap on create now and you'll be able to create your filter. And if you tap on find out here, then it will ask you to log into your Snapchat. So you just need to simply go and log in and you'll be able to create your Snapchat filter. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.